Are you looking to reset your maintenance light on your 2007 Toyota Camry? Stay tuned and we'll show you how right here on Astral Auto Repairs.
This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Hey guys, it's Shiloh Koon here from YouTube channel Shiloh Koon, and you're watching Astral Auto Repair. I got one question for you. Can you dig it?
Okay, first thing you're going to do is turn your car on the accessory position, not, running. And can you close your door?
I'm trying to record here.
Okay. And then, why does it say hood open? Okay, maintenance required. And then below it, can you guys see that? Maintenance required. And below it says trip B. Can you see that?
Yeah, we got it.
Alright, you gotta make sure that's on trip A. So this button right here, can you see this button right here?
Yep.
Okay, you're gonna push that and just keep going until you see trip A. Okay, got it?
Okay.
Now turn the key off. Alright, and then with your left hand, or whichever hand is more comfortable for you, it don't matter, you're gonna hold down this button, hold it down, and at the same time you're going to turn your key on. Okay, so you're going to hold this down and put it in the accessory position. Maintenance required. Oh, that's not going to work. You guys can't see that.
I see it.
Maintenance required, reset mode complete.
Okay.
That's it. Let go. Turn it off, turn it back on. Should be cleared. Hood open for some reason.
Yeah, I didn't.
That's it.
Hood.
Oh, okay. That's it.
That's it?
You're done.
It's pretty easy. Now you said accessory position. Let me see.
Right? In the arm. Make sure.
On position.
On? Okay,
Yeah.
Sorry. My bad.
That's okay. Okay.
Just make sure your lights come on.
Okay, got it.
Okay?
Alright.
That's it. Alright, so that's how you reset your maintenance light on a 2007 Toyota Camry. This is an XLE model. And just remember to hold down that trip button until you see that it says complete. Once it says complete, you can let go and you're done. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.